All right, welcome everyone. This is going to be an update for the month of July. It is Friday, July 31st of 2026. I'm currently here at an Airbnb, and this is going to be in San Diego, California, because I was just at Inman Connect. So if I connected with you out there, it was great to see you. We connected with some individuals we haven't seen in a few years, haven't been back to Inman Connect since 2018. And have you ever been to an Inman Connect? They're definitely the OG in our industry here in real estate. So definitely some reform happening. They definitely have some things to work on, but it was a good event. It was great to network, great to meet different individuals. And we also saw Jesse Dow, who is one of our referral partners with Channel Junkies. And there's also opportunities for us to be able to potentially help them out within Inman, and potentially also us being able to get into the opportunity of mindset conversations, as that's something that I'm looking at being able to offer to everyone here as far as mindset coaching, helping with the process of what does it take to have the mindset to have success within your real estate business. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself a little bit smaller. I'm going to share a couple things with you. So we have our YouTube channel. If you haven't watched any of our newer videos, we're really starting to go deeper into the mindset conversation. So majority of our new videos now are going to be in mindset, so you can be able to have more success with the process of having the right mindset in order to set yourself up for success through the day, whether you have things that come up that are out of your control. Does life happen to you, or does life happen for you? And I like to say that life happens for us for a reason. The problem with being busy, also focusing on the one thing, I'd highly recommend you watch those videos. And then we have, of course, our success case study videos, and we have some another additional videos coming out as well. So our team will be reaching out to you for case study videos, so we can be able to showcase your success with us here at Liftoff Agent. If you don't already know, we do have our coverage area here, and all the clients, or not all, but a few of our clients here that are going through the process with the passive prospecting. This is actually going to be Myrtle Beach, and we met with Chris, and we talked about their case studies, over 150 leads per month from their website, going through the process of passive prospecting. So, we really want to make sure you're maximizing what you're doing with us, and you're having success with that process, because we also now have go over here really quick and show you our customer support slide. We've really been going deeper with the customer success manager, and so if you're not already on a quarterly meeting schedule with startup, you will be soon, or ramp up every other month, and scale up, you I'm sure are probably on a monthly schedule. We want to make sure that you're taking advantage of our free resources. We want to make sure that our customer success manager is keeping you on track. We have startup, ramp up, and scale up, and making sure that you, if you're on startup, are maximizing the website, ramp up website and social media, getting to YouTube a bit, and then the YouTube side, of course, the coaching, going through the video blogs, analyzing to make sure that you're having success with the process. So Myrtle Beach and these here are on the startup side, but they have the map, they have the relocation guide, video to blog, and they're already doing the website with the YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is primarily how they're driving traffic to their relocation page, new construction page, and also learning center. From there, also Real Estate First Technology, we are going to be reaching out to a lot of our clients after doing the case study videos and getting y'all on our podcast. So love to get you on the podcast, love to talk to you, and love to be able to go over your success. Like we've had one of our clients here, and this is going to be one of our clients is crushing it, Zach, over
I don't know.
DFW. So if you haven't already watched this show, he's doing an amazing job. Did $36 million with us last year through this process. Also, want to make sure that you're getting into app.liftoffagent.com. If you don't have an account already, haven't seen this, this is where you'll sign in to be able to get all of the up-to-date with your website, video to blogs, request updates. And so we're building out this entire back-end system here, which is going to be absolutely phenomenal thanks to our web team and Smith, who's going to be ahead of this. We have all your billing for invoices, for tax write-offs is going to be there as well. And then our time zones here, because I'm located in Arizona. Smith, our co-founder, is going to be in Oregon. So you have Mountain Standard when the time changes, and then you have Pacific Standard, and then you also have, as you know, Majority of our team is in the Philippines, so you have that as well. So pretty awesome, and you can actually search your name here, and you'll see things a little bit differently to be able to get additional information on that side. We also are coming out with some really amazing resources. This is going to be Discover Your Neighborhood Match. This is going to be a neighborhood quiz where your individual consumers can say what their budget is and specifically what they're specifically looking for, if they want to be, if they want beach access or shopping and dining, airport, what's going on with what they're looking for to identify what neighborhood they potentially would want to move to. And it goes through a very extensive process. And so this is a really cool thing that you can go through with offering it to your clients, and it can identify also single family, 55 plus, based off their budget, based off what they're looking for, no HOA, or they don't care about HOA, or a price point in HOA, and this is all 100% customizable, so you can really be able to give them exactly what they're looking for as far as what area, and have like everything handed to them like on a silver platter, or basically red carpet, white glove service opportunity. So this is all amazing things coming out, and if you're interested in this neighborhood quiz, we're in beta right now. You can reach out to support@liftoffagent for more information on that. If you haven't gone into the back end of our system here, you can go ahead and just type in app.liftoffagent.com and you can set up your account today. And then of course we have all of our free resources, so make sure that you're taking advantage of those with our YouTube videos, how to drive leads to your Liftoff Agent website. And we appreciate you all so much, whether you've been on a podcast episode, Real Estate versus Technology, you've watched one of our videos, Liftoff Agent's YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can get value there. And if you're already maximizing and getting into the back end of our system, app.liftoffagent.com, you are a rock star. And if you've already taken advantage of our free resources, you are amazing. So I'm off to the gym with my wife, San Diego, Friday, and we're going to take the rest of the time. Sakia is sending out all of these emails within our email marketing campaign side of things. So I appreciate you. Take care. God bless, and we will see you next month.